Try to sit in the butterfly pose that we usually sit in comfortably, and then let's try to massage our feet fully at the bottom side of the feet, like we are trying to increase the blood circulation in the feet region completely, right? You can try to massage both the legs with your thumb all over, and then any heel, any leg wherever you have like more pain, if you want to focus more on that, you can try to like massage that one specifically like this, right? So your thumb should be from inside stretching towards outside, from in this region. Usually we feel pain like in this region, or some people feel it like on the back side of the heel. Specifically in the morning when we wake up, we kind of don't feel like keeping our feet on the ground, and only after a couple stretches, few steps, we feel comfortable walking without pain, right? So after you wake up in the morning, try to massage your feet a bit to get the blood circulation going. Reason for this pain usually is either some hard injury or the blood circulation not happening properly in the leg because of incorrect sleeping postures that we do, right? So if you are used to sleeping always on the one side, then like the blood circulation kind of does not happen all the way until the leg, foot kind of thing there, right? So that's why you could feel the pain, right? The next, keep your legs like this and then lift only the big toe fingers. Hold there like for a couple seconds and then release them. Let's try this for 7 times. 3. I hope you can see this. You are lifting the big toe and the fingers, fully stretching and then bringing it down. Let's do this 2 more times. Goal is to stretch this portion. So next, similar exercise but little different. So now like feel like there is a pencil in between the thumb and then the first finger, and then you're trying to lift that pencil with the feet. Your feet will go like this, right? You're kind of making a C shape in the feet fully. You're kind of making an arch in the feet. So you should really feel it. If I show it like this, it will be like something like this. Please try this 7 times. Arch it, hold it there for 7 seconds. You should really feel it in the arch region of your foot when you do this. Please do this 7 times. Two more times. Last time. Feel it, release it. Relax. Now we will need our belt. So what we will do is we will lie down straight on the back, and please hold your strap like this. And then the middle portion of the strap we are going to keep just right here, right where you have this like ball region on the foot. So just below the ball you will keep it, right? Your strap should be really long, and then if you don't have the strap, try this without the strap. Lie down fully, right? Relax here. Inhale, lift this completely. Try to lift with both the hands. Stretch it fully. Do it really slow. Slowly bring it up and then stretch as much as you can. Hold here for at least 3 breaths. If you don't have the strap, then lift your leg. Make sure you keep your foot active. Like your foot should be like this, so that the bottom portion of the foot is active. Okay, and then let's do another round. We'll try this 3 times. If you can hold with one hand, keep the other hand on the ground, but you should be fully stretched. You should feel a lot of stretch on the back side of the leg and on the bottom of the foot around the heel. Like this portion should feel the stretch. Let's try this one more time. Stretch it fully. Now release. Let's try the same with the other leg now. Keep the strap just below the big toe, and then don't bend your leg here, keep your leg straight and then pull this towards you to feel lot of stretch in this region. Hold here for like 3 long breaths. Relax, bring it down. We'll try this 2 more times. Hold here for 3 long breaths. Release. Let's try one last time. So in the morning, if you can't do like any other exercise of the heel pain that we are going to cover today, on your bed, before you keep your feet down from your bed, just do this stretch. Before you sleep at night, make sure you keep a strap by you, and then in the morning, before you keep your foot down, make sure you stretch both the sides at least 3 to 4 times. So let's try the last stretch again. Stretch it fully. And when it's fully stretched, take it towards one side. Take it towards the left side. Keep it fully stretched here, only with one hand. Hold it here, at least for 3 breaths. You should feel a lot of stretch on the side of the right leg here. 3 breaths and then slowly bring it up. Once it's here, we are going to hold it with the right hand and then stretch it on the other side to feel the stretch on the inner side of the right leg this time. Bring it back. Final stretch at the top with both the hands. Relax. Now let's try this again on the other leg. We did not do the side stretches. So stretch the left leg fully. Both the hands. Left leg, hold the strap from the right hand. Left hand remains down, and then pull it towards the right. You should feel a lot of stretch on this area and in the heel region. Hold it here for 3 breaths. Bring it back in the center. Pull it. Hold with the left hand. Right hand goes down. Only the right hand is holding it. And then bring it down slowly. Foot remains fully active, straight. Right? Feel the stretch in the inner side of the leg here. Final stretch. Release it. Relax. Let's move on to the next yogic pose. So usually in the Vajrasana, you sit like this. But for the heel pain, we are going to sit on our big toe and then fingers folded like this. please sit like this. And then if you can do it, if you can sit comfortably, please try to sit like this. Keep both the legs on the sides, sit only on the toes, and then try to practice balance here. Something like this you can try at home. When you try this, make sure you keep looking at something to keep your mind still. You are kind of hovering over your two heels, and on the ground only the big toe and the fingers of the foot are touching. Just keep looking at something to keep yourself still. Bring down. We'll move to the next one. That's called Ardha Mukhasana. So like when we do the Surya Namaskar, we go in the down dog pose. So directly go in the down dog pose. But in the down dog pose, once you are fully in the down dog pose, fold one leg. Let's say fold the left leg a little bit. Now you should feel lot of stretch on the right side of the leg. Try to touch the heel of the right leg towards down, fully down, right? So do this paddling like 3-4 times. Keep one leg fully straight, pressing it down, other leg folded, so that the other leg feels a lot of stretch. Left leg folded, lot of stretch on the right leg. Back of the heel, you should feel a lot of stretch here. So let's sit down. Try these exercises in the morning to get rid of the heel pain. Let's sit down comfortably and then take 3 long breaths. Thank you everyone.